Hello once again and welcome back to Zurfatek, the how-to channel. My name is Mustafa Zurfat, and in this video we're going to talk about video editing and filming. So in this episode we're going to talk about what is the software that we are using for editing, how can we import media into this software, what are the things that we can add to the video, like how can we cut the video, how can we split or trim the video, how can we add audio effects like ding, dong, or adding music. Also, we're going to talk about the transitions that we are using to move from a video to another video. Also, some elements that we can add, like adding icons or titles. We're going to show you all of this in this video. So in this video we're going to talk about Filmora. Filmora is a video editing software. It's an alternative for the Final Cut. It's a very easy software. It's about 4 times cheaper than the Final Cut, and it has a lot of features for video editing. So let's jump into it. Filmora is very easy. All you need to do is drag your file and drop it into Filmora. Once you are in Filmora, it will ask you about the resolution. First thing is you need to choose your resolution. What resolution you want to work this project with. Once you chose the resolution, as you can see, in the media we have all our video files. Now as you can see here, you have all your audio effects and music. Here is about titles, so you have a lot of titles that comes with the software, and you could also download any other titles from the internet. When it comes to transitions, you have a bunch of transitions that you could use. Again, you could download any other transitions, or you could add other plugins. Video effects. So we have a lot of video effects. I'm not a very big fan of the Filmora video effects, but you have a bunch of effects. Whenever you want to, you could download any other effects from the internet. And finally, we have the elements, things that we want to include in our video, like emojis, icons, any other element that you want to include in this video, you could find it in the elements. Okay, so now it's about the video editing. How did I trim it in multiple items and then added all the effects, all the elements, all the titles that I needed to put into this video? If you have any questions about anything when it comes to editing, please leave it in the comments below. So as you can see, we have a 7 minutes and 30 seconds video. I want to cut this video into multiple clips. All you need to do is take the scrubber and put it wherever you want, and then you click on the scissors and there you have a blend or a trim until you have multiple clips that you want to use in your final video. So you arrange them, start modifying them by trimming and cutting these videos into small clips that you think they look good for your video. And now, since I completed trimming the video into small clips, I'm trying to add some titles, like an intro for my clip. First of all, I want to add some titles to my video, so all I need to do is go to titles and then click whatever title I want to add. So I'm going with the basic one. I have to drag it and put it right here. Once I have it in my timeline, I can choose what duration should this title have. So I wanted to start with this video when I'm saying the point and ends with the end of this part of the video with the clip. So since I have the title, I have everything written in here. I could play with this title by changing the size, by changing its position, by rotating it. Or for example, I could double click on it and choose advanced settings. Now I have more options to play with. So when it comes to capacity, blurry or not, do I want to have a text border? Do I want to have a text shadow? Change the color of the shadow. So once I decided the font, the size, the position and the color, I want to add some animation for the title. So I will go to animation and choose this one, which I like. So now I want to add a logo. In this part of the video, when I'm saying in this video, I'm talking about Filmora. So all you need to do is import the image that you want to add, grab it and put it exactly on the scrubber. Now I want to add some animation to this logo, so I need to double click on it, go to animation and then double click on which animation I want to choose. And that's how easy it is to add a logo or an image to your video. Now I'm trying to add an effect between these two videos. So you need to go to effects and search for the effect that you want to add. I'm trying to add something glitchy. So this will do the work. Now I just need to make it smaller. Now I have added a sound effect to my video. So you have two options: either go to audio and choose from the sound effects that you already have in the software, or you could import your own sound effect, and once you have imported it, just grab it and put it wherever you want, as many times as you want. Just to let you know, so all these things are layers, something that I can hear and something that I can see. Now whatever comes on the top will have the priority to appear in the video. So in this video we have imported all the media for this project. We have added our video, we have added the titles, all the titles that we needed, we have added icons to our video, we also added video effects, also sound effects, and this is my voiceover, and we have also added some music. Now next part is to export the video. This video was about video editing. So I'm doing these videos in a very basic way for the people who are not experienced or not confident in how to start a YouTube channel. So I'm doing these videos focused on people who want to start a YouTube channel, how they can gather ideas, how they can make a research, how they can make a very basic edit for their videos, and how they can do a thumbnail. So my next video will be about thumbnails, how you can create your own thumbnail. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel so you can support me as well and let me give you more of these videos.
اما يلا ايش تسوي؟ احكي لهم خطوه خطوه.
ثواني بس نشوف شلون اسوي ريفرس الفيديو. So in this footage I have a drone which is flying. I want to take
I'm sorry.
features for video editing. So let's jump into it. In this video you're gonna talk about Filmora. In this video you're gonna talk about Filmora.